Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today we are making a really delicious chicken recipe. This is one of my favorites. I love this dish so much, and it's none other than chicken karahi. If you've never had chicken karahi, you're in for a treat. So let's make chicken karahi. Okay, so let's go through our spices. I'm gonna start off with a mixture of cumin and coriander. I'll do 2.5 teaspoons of that. Next, I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of turmeric. Then I'm gonna add in my Kashmiri chili. So those are our dry spices. Here I have some garlic, about an inch piece of ginger, some green chilies, and some more ginger for garnish, cilantro, tomatoes, and the chicken. I've opted out for boneless, skinless thigh for this recipe. I've washed it and cut them into 2-inch pieces. I'm gonna pound my garlic and ginger in the mortar and pestle. Let's get cooking. I'm using ghee today because I want it to be extra luxurious. You could use oil if you wanted to. And of course, because this is chicken karahi, you're gonna need a karahi, right? I have a cast iron karahi, but you can use any karahi you have. I toss in my chicken into the hot ghee and immediately after add my ginger and garlic. Okay, it's time to add some salt. By the way, I'm gonna list all the ingredient amounts in the description box, so do check it out. Next, I'm gonna add in my tomatoes that I've cut up. One thing I want to mention about this dish is that you can make it a little bit more drier. Typically, chicken karahi is a drier dish, but I did opt out to make it a little bit more saucy. If you want it to be less saucy, just add 1 tomato. Tomatoes have broken down a bit. It's time to add the spices. The tomatoes have completely broken down. Now it's time to add garam masala, which I have forgotten to show you earlier. It's time to add the cilantro. I saved some of it for garnish. Let's throw in the green chilies. I'm using 3 of them. You can use as many as you like, or you can even skip it if you like. I checked for seasoning. It does need a little bit more salt, so I'm gonna add it at this point. It's almost done. I just need to get the sauce to reduce more. It's done. It's time to garnish with cilantro and sliced ginger. I do think that the sliced ginger really makes this dish complete. You can skip it if you don't like it, if you think you don't like it, but I highly encourage that you at least give it a try. Honestly, how good does that look? Truly, it's one of the great dishes out there. I'm serving mine with roti. If you want the roti recipe, I'll link it in the description box, so do check that out. I do have a roti recipe that is very easy to follow. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you give this recipe a try. I think it's gonna become one of your favorites as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to like, share, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.